he is very energetic, extremely energetic. Nobody can fight with him or match with him about. Suddenly, when I selected that movie, everybody was like, really? Why? It's a very commercial film. It's going to be commercial. Boypatti Srinagar is known for out and about like full commercial film with lot of mass elements in it.
For Akhanda,
Okay.
normal. And he told me one thing that that girl has some next level energy about you, Samyukta. And
See, glamour can be defined in a different way, but if you're talking about like visually glamorous, like the it girl,
Yeah.
I don't mind taking it up. All I need is that confidence that I can carry something, and that's all I need.
because you have a separate fan base for Vathi,
Mhm.
है ना? Can we see something coming again? Can we see something you're collaborating again with Dhanush? Okay, Samyukta, there is news or one rumors you can say everywhere that Samyukta is someone who is the most busiest person these days worldwide, doing back-to-back movies, also credible roles. Talk to me about it. Is this truth?
Am I busy? I am busy, but I can do more.
The hunger is still there.
just mean, the hunger is still there. I'm very hungry for work. I don't mind juggling. I make these statements like it's when there are date clashes. It's okay. I'll just do this film in the morning and they'll shoot till the night, and everybody will look at me because then I realize it's not just my consent. I need to take my team's consent. Like my hair, makeup, whoever is traveling with me, because it's not like I'm being very into. I can go 12 hours and 16 hours and work, but I tell okay, just take their consent. If they are okay, then we'll go about it. So I am that hungry for work. Film. What happened is my plan was different. I committed Swayambhu, another film, couple of years back, but the film went on to a production that was very extensive. The film just grew. So that film was supposed to be released in 2024 after a shoot of promised these many dates. But when we went on to the production, they realized it's not because they didn't. They see that there's a lot more potential. So they decided to scale it up, and that's how then the delay happened. Not a delay. We were in production, and the post production took its own time. Involves a lot of VFX, and we are going to release next month. So that's what happened. So parallelly, every movie just kept adding up, and then scheduling became.
Quite hectic.
But that's not my headache.
But what keeps you going, Samyukta? What's that hunger that you keeps on like, nahi yaar, ab to karna hai. No matter what, I need to do this anyhow. What excites you the most?
I'm very lucky in a way. My passion, my work, and my love is all at one place. I have absolute love and passion for cinema. I'm in love with it. All I tell my team, just let me know which day, where to go, which character to play. I'll be ready for it. Three consecutive days, I did 3 different films. Like one day, one film, the other day, and characters were very different from each other. I sort of enjoyed it. I didn't feel the difficulty of it while doing it, but after finishing that, then I felt okay. Wow, I did something. So I'm hungry for work. I want to do more. I learned a lot by doing. I never dreamt about becoming an actor. I was offered a film, jumped into it. Call it intuition, call it impulse. I am like that. I'm still like that. I have an impulse to say yes, and yeah, I can do that. So that with that impulse, without any knowledge, I just jumped into it. Then it's a vast world, and then the thing is that the fact I didn't come with a lot of dreams, but you can see a lot of people, a lot of girls, a lot of people wants to be in cinema, and they work for it. So I have not still understood what is the math behind it, like why it favors. Is it luck? Is it hard work? It's a combination. So I'm very used to that process. Like it is not new to me that doing multiple films at the same time or back-to-back films has never been tiring. I'm still not tired. I have a lot of energy in me,
I can see that. I can see that, man.
and I'll just continue to do that.
Yeah, absolutely. But how was the moment fangirling Tabu turned into a co-star? How was that, man?
I worked with a lot of people and I've had this thought of moments of realization, people who I have watched on screen when I never thought become an actor or become successful, will even get a chance to work with them or something like, so I always walk back and look at my journey in a just a glance, like a glimpse, and I feel like I feel wow. So it was very, and then but then you I have to bring me back to the reality of just doing what I'm supposed to do at that moment. But always that ray of that memories and everything will just go in a flash in me when I think about, okay, there have been a day when I didn't think
Yeah, about this
about
day.
this. Yeah.
Absolutely. But how was it Vijay Sethupathi, Tabu? How was this set? How it looked like?
The set was wonderful, and my character in that movie is hyper. I'm not hyper.
In real life, you are?
I am energetic.
Yeah.
I'm not hyper. I have my phases. I work like a moon probably. The character in that movie is very hyper. She is a lot. I kept that energy going while shooting as well. Unless a particular scene required me to be, yeah, in a certain way, I kept that vibe around. So it was like that, and a lot of learning, a lot of seniors around me. There's Serena Wahab have also worked in that movie. There's a lot of actors. I had scenes with most of them. Like I'm not sure, I cannot say every one of them, but 99% of the actors I just shared screen with. It was a great experience. Even working with Puri sir was also a great experience.
अभी आप मुझसे बात करी तो मुझे एक चीज याद आ रहा है. आई वॉज डूइंग एन इंटरेक्शन विद बालाकृष्ण सर.
Oh.
Okay, for Akhanda 2,
Okay.
normal, and he told me one thing, that that girl has some next level energy about you, Samyukta.
okay.
And I just got to know it now कि वो सही बोल रहे थे आपके बारे में. You have that aura around you that कि भाई सामने वाले भी energy आ जाएगा, you know. But particularly about Akhanda 2, how was your experience for Balakrishna sir के साथ?
So till that movie, I had done a different set of films, but like which was very different. Suddenly, when I selected that movie, everybody was like, "Really? Why? Why?" Because it's a very commercial film. It's going to be commercial. Boypati Srinu is known for making out and about like full commercial film with lot of mass elements in it. It was, people didn't think that it was not an obvious choice from my side, but it was always there in me that I wanted to do such cinema. I want to experience all types of cinema. When it came to me, I just want to take it up because I wanted to experience that as well. So I just took it up and I enjoyed working in that movie. Even Bale Garu has a lot of nobody can fight with him or match with him about he is very energetic, extremely energetic.
Yeah, absolutely. But when it comes to roles, Samyukta, you're the particular about your roles. I think you take the credible roles more inside yourself, which take the center of the stage rather than glam roles. Is there a conscious decision?
No. I want to experience it all. I have no such thing that, okay, I will not do. See, glamour can be defined in a different way. But if you're talking about like visually glamorous, like, the it girl or anything, I don't mind taking it up. All I need is that confidence that I can carry something, and that's all I need. I don't have inhibitions, or I mean, I don't say that, depends on the story, but primarily the way I select films have changed. I have done films for experiences. I've done what I thought that, what I felt about the story when I heard it were not translated to the screen at times. But so I've seen like different types of experience. I've had experiences. I have no such thing that, okay, this is what I want to do. I very much want to do a very, chirpy. I'm chirpy. So that's one thing I've never done on screen. I have not done a chirpy girl uh, I can do comedy. So that's also something, yeah, that's something that I've not done. So there are a lot of things that I've not done which I would love to do.
You know, there was this one question particularly for you that ki, can we see, because you have a separate fan base for Vathi, है ना? Can we see something coming again? Can we see something you're collaborating again with Dhanush?
Looking forward, it will be my pleasure to work with an actor like Dhanush sir again. Just looking forward. It all has to come into place. You cannot, lot of things cannot be planned here. Right opportunity, the timing, everything has to work out for a project to happen. So the character has to suit me. The director should feel like, I'll be able to carry the character. So I hope that Max will work out, and then
Stars should have aligned.
yeah, it should
है ना?
happen. Yeah.
But before going, it's a short segment called Travel with Samyukta.
Okay.
ठीक है? It's quite fun. What's the first thing you do when you land in a new place for vacation?
Check into a hotel. Did I give a very plain, straightforward answer?
Weirdest food you have tried while traveling?
Nothing weird. Oh yes, by mistake. So something that didn't match my palate. When I tried authentic Maldivian food, that did not go well.
Your favorite place for vacation till now?
Till now, the one place that I would love to go back to will be the eastern side of India.
Have you ever missed a flight or had a major travel fail?
Not a major travel fail, but I have missed flight.
Okay. Funniest?
Very less.
You've missed.
Yeah, I've missed.
Funniest or most chaotic travel story you have had?
Funniest is just like how I take some decisions. I've done this in booking just a ticket without planning anything, or take my car and just go for a long drive and with no plans of where to go. That I've done. So it's about, sometimes there's no hotels to stay. There is no place to stay. Sometimes I've gotten scared that what if somebody punctured my tire? I mean, if I park at random places, especially when I go for a road trip. So I'll drive more and more. I'll push myself to go another 100 kilometers just to find a good hotel and just stay there. So in that way, I've done a lot of unplanned travel, which I'm comfortable about.
It's fun.
Yeah,
it's fun. But last one, what's your go-to airport look? Comfort or full glam?
A dress?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love dresses, like
Yeah.
bodycons, frocks, or anything. I just like dresses.
Wow, that's it. But before going, if you want to say anything to your fans about your upcoming project, which we all are excited for, and after that we're gonna meet for sure, go ahead and.
Thank you so much for all the love that you've given me. Right now, I have a great lineup. I'm very excited for you all to watch all those films. Looking forward for all the love. Anything that I should improve, I'm open to everything. Just give it to me. Thank you so much.